Here is the one truth that separates the boy from the man. A woman never regrets losing a man who is actively trying to prove his value to her. She only regrets losing the man who quietly realized his worth and ceased the performance. That shift from seeking validation to embodying value changes the entire dynamic. The common mistake most men make is to immediately react to the breakup, to beg, chase, or over-explain. They believe their emotional noise will spark regret. The truth is, regret is not born from noise. It is born from silence, absence, and genuine, undeniable growth. If you want to understand how to leverage your inner strength to create an undeniable sense of loss, you will find the complete roadmap in this video. Welcome to Stoic 24, the only place for men who understand that self-mastery is the ultimate leverage in life, dating, and relationships. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the psychological blueprint for reclaiming your personal power so completely that your absence becomes your strongest argument. This isn't about manipulation, it's about transformation. Subscribe to Stoic 24 and tap the bell icon to master calm, control, and self-respect. Number 1. The tactical power of non-reaction. The first and hardest lesson is this: your silence is a stronger statement than any desperate speech. When a woman ends things, she is operating from a position of emotional certainty. She expects a script, calls, texts, pleas for another chance. Your reaction confirms her importance and gives her control. It validates her decision. To break this cycle, you must practice non-reaction. This is a core Stoic principle. The moment you choose silence over the expected chaos, you remove her emotional leverage. You are essentially telling her, without saying a word, that her decision, while noted, did not shatter your frame. This confusion is the psychological crack in her certainty. Where is his pain? Why is he not fighting? This mystery forces her to shift her focus from her new freedom back to you. The practical step: for the first 30 days, treat every impulse to contact her as a weakness to be mastered. Number 2. The unannounced rebuilding of your presence. True personal power does not need a social media announcement. After a split, too many men rush to the gym or post motivational quotes, desperately trying to project an image of being fine. They are rebuilding for an audience of one. This is still a form of chasing. You are performing for her validation. Real, lasting attraction is triggered by authentic, quiet elevation. The man who truly levels up does it for himself. He gets his finances in order, focuses on his mission, and sharpens his mind, not to get her back, but because that is the standard he holds himself to. When she inevitably checks on your life, she should find a man who is clearly moving forward, but she should not find any proof that this progress was built on spite or aimed at her. Her not knowing your emotional state is what keeps her mind engaged. The practical step: measure your daily improvements against your own goals, not against the hope of her seeing your progress. Number 3. Emotional detachment is not coldness. Do not confuse genuine emotional detachment with playing games. Pretending to be happy or trying to elicit jealousy is merely emotional dependency in disguise. A woman can smell a fake. True detachment is a Stoic achievement. It is peace with the outcome. It means you have accepted the loss and are no longer letting the loss define your life. You are not bitter. You are not seeking revenge, and you are not trying to win the breakup. Instead, you are calm, grounded, and focused on self-elevation. This quiet control is deeply disruptive to her ego. She expected you to be emotionally broken, but instead, she sees you centered and purpose-driven. That is an attractive puzzle she cannot solve. You have become the man who is not available for her emotional drama. The practical step: when thoughts of her arise, immediately redirect that energy into a physical, or intellectual task. Number 4. Outgrowing the need for closure. The quest for closure keeps you emotionally tethered to her timeline. You cannot move on while waiting for an explanation or an apology. A man of masculine integrity writes his own story. He recognizes that pain is simply raw energy without direction. The strongest response to a breakup is not to wallow in the pain, but to channel it into your life's ambition. Level up your life not despite the pain, but using the pain as fuel. This means committing to your purpose, your health, and your community with a renewed, uncompromising vigor. The focus here is on being fine, not looking fine. When you cease to carry emotional baggage, when you truly stop reacting to the past, your energy changes. You stop chasing her story and you start living your own. The man who outgrows the need for closure is the man who becomes emotionally invulnerable. The practical step: stop replaying old memories. Start creating new, high-value ones in your own sphere of influence. Number 5. The composed response to her curiosity. If you execute the first 4 steps correctly, she will resurface, not for you, but to test if her power remains. A text, a like, a casual check-in. This is the moment where most men fail. They rush to respond, eager to reclaim what they lost. This immediate, enthusiastic response proves she still holds the key to your emotions. Do not ignore her, but do not jump at the bait. Your delayed, neutral response is a powerful communication of your new frame. Take hours, or even a day, to reply. When you do, keep it short, polite, and completely focused on the practical, not the emotional. The goal is to show her that you are no longer emotionally dependent on her attention. This calm, controlled response throws her off. She expected either a desperate man or an angry one. Instead, she finds a man at peace. This is what flips the dynamic. The practical step: treat her communication like a low-priority work email. Acknowledge, answer briefly, and immediately return to your primary purpose. Number 6. Become the unforgettable man. You cannot win her back by attempting to be the man she left. That version of you was not sufficient to keep her committed. If she is drawn back to your orbit, she is not interested in the memory. She is interested in the undeniable, quiet confidence of the man you have become. The ultimate form of regret is not realizing she lost a good man, but realizing she lost a man who leveled up without needing her permission, her presence, or her validation. This is the masculine frame: calm, grounded, purposeful, and certain of its own value. You are no longer waiting to be chosen. You are simply living a life that cannot be ignored. Make her meet you at the new altitude you've reached. The practical step: ensure that every interaction you have, even if only in passing, communicates that you have built a life she can no longer control or predict. The deepest regret a woman can feel is not losing a man who chased her, but realizing she lost a man who outgrew her absence. True masculine power is found not in your capacity for emotional chaos, but in your ability to maintain inner peace and forward momentum. Your silence speaks volumes. Your growth is undeniable. Don't chase her. Focus on becoming the man she can't forget. If this lesson hit you, remember calmness wins more than chasing ever could. Subscribe to Stoic 24 and hit the bell icon to build strength, not noise.